When an underage driver is charged with a DUI in New Jersey, there are serious consequences, although a DUI is not a crime. When an adult gets a DUI, it's not criminal in nature, same for an underage driver. However, in almost every underage DUI situation that starts, there's also criminal charges that come along with those. So unfortunately, the underage driver is not only dealing with his driving or his DUI case, he or she is also dealing with an allegation or a summons for underage drinking, or open container, or possession of alcohol by a minor, things that are criminal in nature. So in an underage DUI situation, there are usually, almost always, multiple different things going on in a given case. The DUI itself, which is a driving offense and non-criminal here in New Jersey, although with serious consequences, and also the companion criminal cases that almost always exist. If your child has been charged with a DUI and they're under the age of 21, they're dealing with a significant situation. They're not yet of age, they're a young driver, they're a young adult. They're most likely not only going to be dealing with a DUI charge and the consequences that come along with that on their driving record, with insurance and things of that nature. They're also probably dealing with, or most likely dealing with, a criminal charge, such as underage drinking by a minor, or something of that nature. So in addition to the consequences and serious consequences of a DUI for an adult, most underage drinkers are dealing with significant or serious criminal charges as well. In retaining my office, I have experience in dealing not only with adults, but also I've represented juveniles who have been charged with DUIs in the various municipal courts throughout the state of New Jersey. Hiring an experienced criminal as well as drunk driving or DUI attorney at the outset of your child's case is very important. Your child was probably held by the police for some period of time until you or a loved one was able to pick them up. They've probably been somewhat traumatized by the situation. Getting someone involved from the very beginning, sitting down, forming a relationship with that attorney, forming that relationship with me, and moving forward and finding out who we each are and where we can go with this and help your son or daughter is the first and most important step in the process.